A 2017 Nissan Armada. We're going to be programming a second prox. I have one existing prox and another one here. We're also going to be trying this one, whatever's first. So, go to Armada. Make sure your flashers are on. All the way to 17. Smart 5. Program key. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, this takes the new pin, enter. Okay. Everything's in programming mode once we saw that status bar. All we got to do is press the start button. You'll see it flash right here. Hold it up. The light will flash 5 times. Turn it off. Take the next prox. Press it. You'll see it flash. Hold it up. Turn it off. We'll go ahead and we'll program this other one here. Push the button. Hold it up. One moment here. Push the button. That was my mistake. Hold it up. Okay. Then turn it off, and we're going to shut it down with the very first prox that we used, which was the one with the tag on it. Press it, hold it, it's on, turn off. Key is registered. Here's our other one. Everything turns on. We're done.